the kind of recipes that we want to pass down for generations to come.
No more putting it off. We are making meatloaf, a classic both of our moms passed down to us.
They did. I still make my mom's. I feel bad saying that. I love CJ's mom. I'm pretty sure CJ's mom loves me. But I think my mom's meatloaf was better.
She might not love you that much after this. I'll be honest, my mom made a lot of wonderful dishes growing up. But her meatloaf, it built character. Mom, I'm sorry.
Do you often make meatloaf?
Nope.
It just brings up bad memories.
Well, I'm not a fan of what I've had a lot of.
I'm gonna take meatloaf and kind of flip it on its head. We're gonna turn this into burgers, or sandwiches, CJ. I've got a bit of milk, I've got some onions and bell peppers and some seasoned breadcrumbs with just a little bit of soy sauce. The trick to a good meatloaf is not to kill it with filling. My mom never wrote down the recipe, and I'm okay with that. You just kind of eyeball it.
Okay.
I grew up doing very simple seasoning, so we are changing it a bit from my childhood and adding some deliciousness.
So we got some salt, pepper, garlic, and this is like an Italian seasoning, right?
Yeah, it's got a little garlic, a little onion, some rosemary. I think part of the beauty of a recipe that hasn't been written down is you have no choice but to carry it on, or it's gone.
Did you just watch your mom do it, and then you just had to like know by osmosis?
I tried by osmosis a couple of times, and then actually had her sit down and show me. There's a bunch of recipes of mine that are just hers, and they taste exactly the same that they always have. I want to do honor, because we're taking family traditions and kind of changing them just a little bit. So the spirit of the recipe still lives, even though it might not be exactly the same. Let's hit that one more time, CJ, with the seasoning.
How's that?
Beautiful.
Got it.
This is where we're changing things up a little bit. I've got my Blackstone set at medium heat. I'm gonna add some of this frizzle. I'm gonna go medium heat because I want this to cook and caramelize slowly to make sure everything gets cooked evenly. I like a big, beautiful sandwich, but I know it's gonna shrink. So that's gonna be a big, hearty sandwich as it shrinks, but it'll be roughly the same size as my bread.
That's exciting, dude. I'm digging this. The typical thought is every piece of bread needs to be buttered, but something pretty magical happens when you actually use mayo. This is stuff that I've learned through Griddle Nation along the way.
Now, this isn't traditional meatloaf, but that's what's fun about old school recipes. You can take what was old, make them new, and still honor the legacy that came before with all of its deliciousness, but the presentation's a little bit different. I'm gonna go with some American cheese. CJ, you wanna do 1 or 2 slices of American?
2 seems appropriate, I think.
I agree. Cooking a meatloaf like this on a traditional grill is gonna fall right through the grate.
Beauty.
We're also gonna dome this over the top. We do want it to melt. Remember, this isn't meatloaf. This is a meatloaf burger, which makes it an ode to a family tradition.
An homage.
It is an homage.
You're welcome.
But you know what meatloaf absolutely does need?
Woo! That
Gorgeous,
is
right?
insane.
We're gonna go right on our bread. We may have overshot, buddy. Let's see. I don't know.
I don't know, dude. It's looking pretty fantastic, actually.
Are you a ketchup guy?
See, that's the thing. I don't think you can make meatloaf without ketchup, can you?
You got it, and it's a meatloaf burger, so we're gonna go just like this.
Yeah.
Make some magic. I mean, we still have the spirit of meatloaf. It's a little different. We're honoring nostalgia, but we're upgrading it to a new style.
Upgrading, that's how I like to look at this.
Yeah. So, Mom, I love your meatloaf. This one's a little bit different.
And Mom, I love you.
Okay.
I mean, wow.
The onions, the peppers. It's definitely not all burger. It's a meatloaf burger.
I'm a fan.
I'm a fan too. Thanks, Mom.